Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see how to find a minimum number from the digit. So it's not array, this is the digit and we have to find from that particular digit what is the minimum number, and also we are not going to use a loop. So let's start. What we're going to do, first we create a variable and we will say number equal to, and let me copy paste this one. So I copy paste it here. This is our number. So out of this we will find our minimum number. So first step, we're going to use our toString method, right? So let me create another variable, let new number equal to number dot toString. So basically, what is a toString method? If you can hover over here, it will provide some of the information. So basically that return a string, okay? And our next step is create another variable. Let me do here, let minimum number equal to new number. Why new number? Because we store over here new number dot, what we're going to do now, we're going to use a split. So here is a split and we provide here. So what is a split? Split basically return, so basically string into the array of the substring. So if you confused about that one, let me print this one. So document dot write, that going to print in our document or our in browser, and let me pass that min over here. And if you are using console, then we're going to print in a console. So console.log, and again we pass this one, and as you can see, that basically that how it's going to print. So it basically converted. So now let me comment out so we won't confuse. Okay, so now we're going to use our function. So what are the functions? So math over here, math. If we say dot, we get some option, and if we we say m, and we will get max or min, but we want minimum, right? And then we say apply. Here we say null and pass our min number over here, and again we're going to document.write if we want to print in a browser, or we can do one thing, console.log, just in case if you want to use a console. So console.log, and let me x, and we're going to paste over here, and if we save, you can see our minimum number is 2, right, from that particular digit. Let me add one more number any place, and let's say 1. If I save, and now it's changed to 1, you can see here. So that's how we're going to print a minimum number without using a loop, and if for example it is not an array. That's how we're going to convert in array, and then we're going to use a math.main function. Hope you like my video, and if you like, or if you for example learn something, then please subscribe, share and like. There are a few more tutorial in my playlist or in my video, so please go and try to watch. Thank you so much. We will see in next video.